Of all the blood-sucking insect pests which plague mankind, the mosquito is among the most pernicious.
Mosquitoes carry some of the greatest threats to human health and security, malaria parasites being one of them, and viruses being other ones. And I think people around here are familiar with West Nile viruses. But it's estimated somewhere between 1 and 3 million people die with malaria infections. The context of our work is that there are multiple disciplines in science that are being used to control the transmission of these diseases. We look at chemistry and they provide insecticides. We look at immunology and it provides vaccines. In our case, we had the question of whether or not genetics would have anything to offer. And we thought that using genetic technologies to essentially put genes into mosquitoes that would prevent them from becoming infected might be a useful way of developing a tool that could control transmission. Our work and my colleagues' work started de novo, from nothing. And so we've had major accomplishments. We're able to make genes that interfere with parasites. We're able to put those genes into mosquitoes in a stable way and then demonstrate that these mosquitoes are now resistant to the malaria parasites. And we're now working on the complex challenge of trying to figure out how one can get these genes into wild populations. And so the hypothesis that we're testing is if we could somehow build these mosquitoes that are resistant to pathogens and get them out into the populations, we will actually see fewer people dying and being sick. And so this is our approach. Well, here at the University of California, we have the largest collection of genetically engineered or transformed mosquitoes. We have a remarkable number of people who come here to learn the technologies. And certainly when the world has a question that they want to have answered in terms of addressing challenges, etc., we get the calls, absolutely. So this November we're having a symposium where we're bringing in people from all over the country and indeed from the world to come and talk about the latest in technologies to combat malaria. The symposium will feature aspects of vaccine development, vector control, and new methodologies based on genetics and genomics to come up with new solutions for malaria control. I think you'll walk away with a feeling of what the current state of development is in the tools that are being developed to control malaria. You'll walk away having the, up to the minute almost, account of where efforts are. This major disease requires new technologies, new ways of thinking, and the people that we have coming are excellent examples of this new type of thinking.